Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 3. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss while and do while loop. So guys, let's get started with the while loop. So while loop is an entry control loop, and in while loop a condition is evaluated before processing a body of the loop, and if condition is true, then and only then the statements of a loop is executed. After the body of a loop is executed, then control again goes back at the beginning and the condition is checked, and if it is true, the same process is executed until the condition becomes false. Once the condition becomes false, the control goes out of the loop. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this while loop. So guys, here it is the syntax of this while loop, and the first part is initialization. So here we will assign some value to variable and then we will put condition in parentheses, and if this condition is true, then these statements will be executed and then increment or decrement will take place, and this process will continue until the condition becomes false. So guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the working of this while loop. So guys, in this program we will learn how the while loop will work. So I have declared an integer variable I and I have assigned 0 to this variable I. So it is basically an initialization part, and now in this while loop I am using a condition I less than 5. So this while loop will print this hello world statement until this condition becomes false. So initially when the value of I is 0, so 0 less than 5, so this condition is true, then it will print this hello world statement and then I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 1 and then 1 less than 5, so this condition will be true and then it will again print this hello world and then I++ will be executed, and this process will continue until this condition becomes false. So at some point of time when the value of I will be 4, so 4 less than 5, so this condition will be true and then it will print hello world 5th time and then I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 5 and then 5 less than 5, so now this condition will be false and then control will come out from this while loop. So now if I run this program, it is printing hello world 5 times. So guys, if we want to print hello world 10 times, then we need to make a change in the while loop. So let's make that change. So guys, I am using 10 instead of 5, and now if I run this program, it is printing hello world 10 times. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now moving further guys. So guys, our next topic is the do while loop. So a do while loop is similar to the while loop, except that the condition is always checked after the body of a loop, and it is also called an exit control loop. So in a while loop, the body is executed if and only if the condition is true, and if the condition is not true, then body of a loop will not be executed, not even once. So guys, in some cases, if we have to execute a body of the loop at least once, even the condition is false, then this can be achieved by only a do while loop. So we can say that in do while loop, the body of a loop is always executed at least once. So after the body is executed, then it will check the condition, and if that condition is true, then it will again execute the body of a loop. Otherwise, control will be come out from that loop. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this do while loop. So guys, here it is the syntax of this do while loop. So first part is initialization. So here we will assign some value to variable and then we will put statements in the do part and then we will put condition in the while loop, and at the end we will put semicolon. So after the body is executed, it will check the condition, and if this condition is true, then it will again execute the body of a loop. Otherwise, control will be come out from this do while loop. So guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn about do while loop. So I have declared an integer variable I and I have assigned 0 to this variable I, and then I am using this printf statement and increment operator I plus plus in the do block, and then I am using this condition I less than 5 in the while loop, and after that I am putting this semicolon. So guys, as we know that in do while loop it will print this statement and then I plus plus will be executed, and then it will check this condition, and if this condition is true it will again print this statement and I plus plus will be executed. Otherwise it will come out from this do while loop. So guys, now if I run this program it will print hello world 5 times. Now guys, if I assign 5 to I and run this program, so it will print hello world only one time, because as we know that the body of do while loop is always executed at least once. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.